It's giant. It's giant. Dude, just keep him tight. No. It was so big, bro. Fish. Giant. 5 pounder or something like that. Look at where the gridiron is too. 5'10". On. Yeah. On. Seriously? On. Let's go! God, dude. That's essentially Kyle's personal best bass. Literally moments after I caught mine. Well, we're out here. We're doing big things. Day number 3 with Kyle.
Day number 3.
You moving to California? Or are you moving to Texas from California?
ASAP.
ASAP. As you guys probably saw in the last video, Kyle broke his personal best. We got an 8 pounder at night during the full moon. Absolutely insane stuff. If you guys haven't seen that video, you need to watch it. We'll leave a link down below. Yesterday, Kyle and I went for a little half session. We were obviously very tired from fishing from like 9 p.m. to like 3 a.m. So we slept in, but we decided to still try to get out and catch some fish. So we went onto this lake where we heard it was pretty good. Caught a few fish. Wasn't insane, but what was insane is this right here. Let's do it. Got him. Oh, dude. That might be 10.
Dude, that is. 100%.
That is 10. Let's weigh him.
Oh my God, John.
Oh, not the way I wanted to catch a giant today, but it'll do. He swam right into the net. How kooky is that? Well, I've never done this before. We just netted probably one of my biggest fish of the season. He was stuck under a log. So we decided we'd get the net out and recover him. Absolutely unreal. Let's see how big he is. I bet he goes close to 10. This is a sad moment. 8.26. That's insane. Look at the size of that fish. 8 pounder. Probably just got off a bed or got caught and didn't know what to do. Poor release job on someone else's part, but that's really ridiculous. Huge fish. I don't know what the hell that fish was doing. I think it might have just came from deep water and ran up in the creek and was a little disoriented. But I did notice that it had a hook mark in its lower jaw, and it seemed to be an old fish, so it might have been on its last leg, but it was stuck in the log, and we didn't really want to just leave it there. So we brought the net out, netted him, showed him to the camera, and then put him back in the water, and then he went right back to that same spot. Weirdest thing I've ever freaking seen. We caught an 8 pounder yesterday, it just wasn't on a rod and reel. Anyway, we're on a new lake today. It's a lake I've literally never fished before. Since I moved to a new part of Texas, I've, as you guys know, made it a goal to myself to fish new waters. And I hate to put Kyle in the guinea pig position, but
it's all good.
We're gonna
we'll get them.
We're gonna try to figure out these fish in this lake that I know literally nothing about. I have heard this place has big fish, but I heard it's also very, very tough, and it's windy and it's kind of cold, and my nipples are hard. Let's get after it. Let's go crank them. Stick with us, stay tuned, and let's have a day. I've never gotten so wet in this boat. One of the reasons why I got this boat from London is that you just don't get wet. It's like one of the best handling 18-foot aluminum boats literally on the market, being completely unbiased. And I'm soaked, I'm drenched. I have water inside of my bibs. My bibs did me no good because I've got water literally inside of my pants. That was horrible. I don't know what's going on in Texas right now, but it's just been windy the past few days, and it's like this whole lake is like a washing machine. Anyway, well, we had the opportunity to launch right there this morning, and I was like, you know what? This is actually a closer drive for me. I'll just go right there, because that makes sense. Because like it would only take us an extra 10 minutes with the car, the truck to go right there. But I thought, let's take a stroll for the lake. I heard it's pretty.
Yeah, let's do a nice boat ride.
Yeah, so from basically here to here, my nut shriveled up and I got completely soaked. We're gonna try this bank. This is not what I was anticipating fishing, but it does look good. 15 feet of water. Water temp is, drum roll please, 60 degrees. Oh, I just got throttled. No, dude, I just got slammed. I got a really good bite right there. You see that? Keep casting. There he is again. Got him. Got his ass. Doesn't feel tiny. Not bad. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? What the hell? Is that a spot? Or is that a guad?
It's got red eyes.
It's not a largemouth, that's for sure. I don't know if this is a guad or a spot. I'm really confused. He's got the lines like a spot. I think it might be a spotted bass. There's our first fish of the day. Species I've not caught too much of. You guys let me know in the comments. I'm on the fence. It looks pretty Guadalupe bass-like to me. Nice one. Well, something. Thank you. See you, Bubba. Oh, nothing.
Yeah,
There's quite a few of them out there, too. You ever caught one before?
No.
It's kind of cool. That was sick. That was so crazy, dude. I really watched that fish come out of the brush to eat. Do you see that?
Yeah.
That was that was incredible. Fish number 2, a little bit bigger. Still flipping shallow. The water dirtied up, so I switched to a June bug, bandito bug. Anytime you find a little bit of dirty water, stained water. Oh wow, look at that. There goes my prop. Anytime you find some stained water, it's good to switch something a little bit darker. Not bad. We'll take it. Thank you, guy. That was crazy.
So, Kyle, how was Texas?
It's good, Mom. Start off real nice, and then John took me to Lake Ray Roberts. Yeah, Mom. There's one. Good one. Good one. Decent. Not really. It's a fish, though. Take it. Oh, largy. Nice bass. No size, but it's a good one. Oh, June bug again. They like June bug in here. We'll take it. Thank you.
You really release those fish so aggressively.
Good one. Damn, nice one. Okay. That's kind of nice.
Looking at.
No. Dude, they fight hard in here.
That's a really good fish.
That's a really nice fish. Flip them. Okay. Might have figured a little something out here. Where we just like completely changed zones. Got out of all the flooded timber because that stuff scares me. If you guys ever fish this lake, you know how scary it is to run a boat through here, but we're just fishing kind of the colder side, a little bit more rockier side. That's my second bite in like 10 minutes. Really nice fish, honestly. Never fished in this place before. That is one we'll take. Look at its tail. Chartreuse and black tip? Are you a redfish? I'm confused. That's pretty sick though, nice one, no doubt. Probably about 3 pounds. Thank you, guy. Appreciate the bite. Okay. Maybe switch to a T-rig, I don't know. How's it going, Kyle?
It's going great. I'm killing him today. Really putting it to him.
Yeah, these Ray Roberts fish are very afraid of you.
Yeah, I know. They see my bait and they're like, whoa, we gotta watch out. That guy's from California.
They actually avoid it because they're nervous.
Yeah, they're nervous about it. Yeah.
In other words, it's trash.
Yeah.
We did catch one nice fish though, so I can't complain.
We?
Sorry, I caught one.
Yeah,
nice
there you
fish
go.
Today, so. We're gonna go run like 2 more spots, see how that goes. Run out of daylight, so gotta figure out where these fish are at. At least it's calm and we're dry. That's huge. Dude!
Oh my god.
That was a big one.
Dude, that was a big one.
Holy
wake.
Holy sh! Just dead weight? I didn't set the hook at all. Yeah, dead weight completely. That's what there is. Oh my god, look at that weight. Get the net, get the net. Get the net. Nah, that's not that much. Made a huge wake. We're all good. We're all good. Figuring them out last minute. I just lost a nice one real close to the brush. We're back in this like really protected creek right now. And that seems to be where these fish are at, probably spawning. When I first hooked, I was like, that's a giant. He just threw up such a good wake. Whew, that is awesome. New lake, new fish, figuring them out. We'll take it. Good bite, really good bite. Probably like nice little 2.5, 3 pounder. Thank you. hammer, dude. Stop doing it. Oh my god.
Dude, that one's got an attitude.
Dude, this has got attitude. This is so cool. This guy
Scar on that
absolutely crushed me. It blows me away. We were fishing basically one of the lake that seemed so good and there was just no productivity. And now we're basically, we're like literally, what happened?
There's a beaver right there.
No way, dude, he's huge.
He's rolling on his belly.
Is he good? Yeah, he's just chilling, I think. I caught one of your buddies. I'll put him back, don't worry. Come on, I'm a catch and release guy. Wow. Like literally a day, like an hour of daylight left and we're getting the nibbies. Thank you, Bandito Bug. By the way, if you guys want to get some of these, use my code right here. Pick up some soft plastics. The spring bite is on.
That goes gross.
Kind of like playground.
Yeah.
Every time I get done fishing that place, I got like a film on my hands. Like seriously.
Like toxic.
Oh my gosh. Giant bass, giant bass. Oh my god, giant bass. That's a big one. Dude, that thing knocked so much slack in my line. Did you see the wake?
Yeah, the wake was insane.
Like I couldn't even reel up fast enough to get this thing to like actually come tight. I thought it was like a 9-pounder. The way he just.
The wake was insane.
Let's go, baby.
Good shit.
Nice fish. We were figuring him out. Last minute bite. Buzzer beater bass. Thank you. Oh my gosh, a fat one, dude. Nice female. Ooh, bite my finger. Ooh, let go. Let go. Let's go. I'm hyped. Oh my god, dude. The male. Must be the male. Bring him in. You just caught the male. Nice job, bro. This is so much fun. This is unreal.
First fish of the day. Oh my gosh.
It's been one of those. One of those, like.
Here we go. Finally, first fish of the day.
Nice.
Yeah, it feels really good. Wow. Water's cold too.
Yeah, it is. I think I might get a shot. Danger, authorized personnel, keep out. Duly noted.
We're authorized personnel.
Well, wieners, that is going to conclude today's fishing mission. This is just a true testament why it's always good to keep fishing, never stop. Got our teeth kicked in for the first 5 hours of the day. I was about to put the boat back on the trailer. Alex is like, are we done fishing? I'm like, I guess not. Literally pulled into this tiny little cut and caught like the majority of the fish of the day. I think we had maybe like 15 pounds, 14 pounds for our best 5 total. And it was all on the Bandito Bug, just flipping it super shallow. It seems to be the MVP this time of year. It's the one lure I've always got tied on for spring Texas fishing. And it works obviously up north, out east, out west. No matter where you are, spring is the time to do some shallow water flipping. Anyway, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Stay safe, catch fish, and as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.